Are you looking for the top 5 woodworking tools, my honest reviews? I've spent my hard-earned cash on these woodworking tools so you don't have to waste your money. As someone who's passionate about woodworking, I know how important it is to have reliable tools. Let me take you through my top 5 picks that have genuinely made a difference in my projects.
Product number 1. Klein Tools 935 DAG Digital Level. When I first got my hands on the Klein Tools 935 DAG, I was immediately impressed by its sturdy feel, weighing in at just 3.5 ounces. The ABS plastic housing feels tough and durable, which is essential for a tool that's going to be tossed around in my toolbox. I decided to put it to the test on a recent project involving some framing work. The digital angle gauge not only measures angles, but also allows for zero calibration, making it super easy to check and set angles quickly. I found the auto-rotating display a game changer. When I flipped it upside down, the display flipped too, allowing me to read it easily without having to contort my neck. The strong magnetic base was another highlight. I was able to stick it to the side of my miter saw without any issues, freeing up my hands for more precise cuts. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, the visibility of the display is excellent, especially in low light conditions. The V-groove edges help me align the gauge perfectly on conduits, which is often tricky. However, I did notice that the battery compartment can be a bit finicky to open, and it might take some getting used to if you're in a hurry. So why should you buy the Klein Tools 935 DAG? If you're looking for a versatile, reliable, and portable tool that can assist you in various woodworking tasks, this is worth every penny. Its durability, coupled with the convenience of having a digital level and angle gauge in one tool, makes it an indispensable addition to
Product number 2. Rui Tool Japanese Handsaw. When I laid my hands on the Rui Tool Japanese handsaw, the first thing that struck me was its lightweight and the sleek beech handle. This saw is designed for precision, and it didn't disappoint during my recent project where I had to make flush cuts on some hardwood. The 6-inch blade is just the right size for maneuverability, and the double edge feature is fantastic. One side had 17 TPI for hardwoods, while the other featured 14 TPI for softwoods. This flexibility meant I could switch easily depending on the wood type I was working with. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the SK5 high carbon steel blade is incredibly sharp and durable, allowing for smooth cuts without the need for excessive force. The hardened 3-edge teeth design made the cutting process swift and effective. However, I did find that the lack of a sheath for the blade could be a safety concern, especially when storing it in a crowded toolbox. So, why buy the Rui Tool Japanese handsaw? If you're serious about woodworking and want a tool that combines versatility.
Product number 3. Hurricane Wood Chisel Set. The first time I used the Hurricane Wood Chisel Set, I was astounded by the premium feel of the blades. Made from drop-forged CRV steel, these chisels are built to last. The ergonomic PVC handle is comfortable, making it easy to tackle long projects without fatigue. I recently used them for a door lock installation, and they performed beautifully. The beveled edge design allows for versatile uses, whether it's for paring cuts or mortising. Pros and cons? The sharpness out of the box was impressive, but I did have to hone them a bit for my specific needs. The blade guards that come with the set are a nice touch, keeping the edges safe during storage. However, I did find the set somewhat limited in size, as it could benefit from an additional larger chisel for bigger jobs. Why buy the Hurricane Wood Chisel Set? If you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, these chisels offer fantastic value for their price. They empower you to take on a variety of projects with confidence, ensuring you'll achieve professional results.
Product number 4. Nekomoku Edge Banding Trimmer. The Nekomoku Edge Banding Trimmer was a recent addition to my toolkit, and I must say it has made a world of difference in my woodworking projects. The first time I used it on a plywood edge, I was amazed at how smoothly and effortlessly it glided across the surface. The stainless steel blade is incredibly sharp and durable, and the ergonomic design of the tool fits comfortably in my hand. The V-shaped blade ensures precision without damaging the substrate, which is crucial when you're working with expensive materials. Let's talk pros and cons. The double-sided blade feature is fantastic,
effectively doubling the lifespan of the tool. However, I did notice that it can take a bit of practice to master the technique for trimming curved edges. Additionally, while the trim was clean, I did find that I had to make a couple of passes on thicker materials to achieve a perfect finish. So why buy the Nekomoku Edge Banding Trimmer? If you want to elevate your woodworking game and achieve a professional finish on your edge banding, this tool is a must-have. Its durability.
Product number 5, Dialogue Corner Clamp Set. I recently picked up the Dialogue Corner Clamp Set, and let me tell you, it has been nothing short of a revelation in my woodworking projects. The first time I used these clamps to assemble a picture frame, I was struck by the ease with which they held everything in place. The 90-degree precision is spot on thanks to the high-quality aluminum alloy construction. The red anodized surface not only looks sharp, but also provides excellent rust and corrosion resistance, which is a big plus for any workshop. Now, the pros and cons are worth discussing. The clamps are lightweight yet sturdy, making them easy to handle during assembly. However, I did notice that they can be a bit tricky to operate one-handed, especially when you're trying to adjust the wood. Also, while the 5.5-inch size is great for smaller projects, I found it limiting for larger assemblies. Why buy the Dialogue Corner Clamp Set? If you want a reliable and precise tool for your woodworking projects, this set is definitely worth considering. It simplifies the process of getting those right angles.
To wrap it up, these top 5 woodworking tools have genuinely made an impact on my projects. I highly recommend investing in them if you're serious about your craft. Each tool brings something unique to the table, and I believe they can help you elevate your woodworking game to the next level.